Hello YouTube, Trainboy90 Productions here. Today we'll be unboxing something I got from the Khaki eBay store. And it's right in this little package right over here. And we're gonna take a look and see what's inside this package right over here as soon as we open it up. So, without further ado, we're gonna take a look inside and see what's inside this package I got from the Khaki store. Looks like this one is packaged in a black package bag, whatever it is. Alright. Looks like we got Plarail Steven over here. He's wrapped up in some bubble wrap. I like how they package these engines. He looks to be in pretty good condition. He's a little scruffed up, but I can fix that. We're gonna take a look at Steven's model and see what his model is about. Here we have Steven over here. We're going to take a look at his model. You can see he has his white funnel. A little scruffed up there, but I can probably fix that a little bit. Here's the underside of Steven. Doesn't say anything. Here's the inside of his cab. It's very detailed. His nameplate says Rocket. Here's a look at his face. Very nice looking face, but he seems to be in good condition overall. And here's his tender. Here's the Ulfstead Castle logo. His wheels. Of course, the normal usual wheels over here. What is so different about the Plarail Steven from the Trackmaster version that he's tender powered? So he's powered by a tender instead of the locomotive. I've been wanting to get a Plarail Steven for quite a while, but I was too hesitant to, but I was able to get a Plarail Steven. Like, he's right here in front of me. Can't believe I'm holding a Plarail version of Steven right now. You can see the wheel is, see he's free rolling right over here. And of course, we're going to install a battery in Plarail Steven and see how he runs. Of course, basically installing his battery requires a screwdriver. Like I said, every of these videos is for general audience. The battery is located inside the tender. The screwdriver is at the screws at the back. You can see right here. This is the inside of his coal cover. Right here, as you can see. This one was manufactured in 2017. Not talking about his release, but when he came out of the factory. We're going to insert one AA battery inside his... He's a bit noisy, but I can fix that. Yeah. Very noisy motor, but I can take him apart and fix Steven just to make him function better. Of course, I can slide the cover right in here. Installing the battery is just like installing the battery inside of Wally, Emily, Murdoch, and the Hit Toys version of Hank. So, he is a very noisy engine, but I'll probably take him apart and fix that. Very good runner. So, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of Plarail Steven. Remember to leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to Trainboy90 YouTube channel. We'll see you all next time. And of course, goodbye!